Hi, and welcome to Outdoor Training. The benefit of high quality tools and accessories is that you can fix everything with spare parts that are available at your local supplier.